About a month ago, I lost my almost 2-year streak, but now, with the release of the desert biome, I can get it back for completely free, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Normally, it would cost buck coins to restore my streak, but until September 14th to celebrate the desert biome. Restore your streak for free. Oh, yes! Yes! Look at that, 160 buck coins. I'm not a brokey anymore, I can... Oh yeah. This badge looks cool, but it's nowhere as near as cool as that big red subscribe button. Oh my gosh, that was so cringy.